Jai Shree Ram Dosto, welcome to my channel. Today we will see how to invest, interface of Tradecred, calculation with example. How to invest? Login in Tradecred app, add money in Tradecred wallet, then buy the deal or invoice. Once you have bought the invoice, wait for the maturity. Once the deal is matured, the amount is automatically credited in the wallet. Once you receive the money in wallet, then again rebuy the deal. After logging in Tradecred app, you will get 4 sections. One is deal, overview, portfolio and profile. Coming to the profile section, here you can verify your name, PAN, Aadhaar, phone number, email address, all the details after logging with your PAN card number with password. Coming to the overview section, you can see here wallet balance, deposit and withdraw button. Deposit is to add money in the wallet. And next you are seeing outstanding report. Outstanding report, you can see here the report. And then you can see the current value. Here you can see your total interest gain 10.84%. Okay. Now I wanted to calculate how much how much interest I got in values. So that can be calculated when you start tracking your actual invested value in Excel. So here what I have done, I have invested 2,10,000 and my current value is 2,13,997. So my net gain is, total interest gain is 3,997. Here there is a catch. You should invest value in round figures, then you can easily calculate. We have just seen profile section, overview section, and now we are going to see deal section. In deal section we are able to see the available deals. So the first deal is Tradecred Prime guaranteed deal, second is ACC deal, and again Tradecred Prime guaranteed deal. So a single deal consists of deal code, company name, and then interest which we are going to get, minimum amount which is needed to invest, eligible to invest. Okay, and then there is a key risk, summary and deal report. When you click on summary, you can see the same data like expected return, but here you will find a deal duration. This is a tentative deal duration. We'll see in detail what is tentative deal duration. Okay, so tentative mature date, investment amount and tentative maturity value. Next, when you click on deal report, you can see the vendor and the vendor details. Last section is the portfolio section. Here you can see ongoing deal. Ongoing deal means which deal you have purchased and you are getting interest. Completed deal, for example, you have your deal is mature, you can find in completed deal. And before mature, if you have placed a liquidation request, you can see the liquidated deal. In all the 3 deals, the confirmation of purchase is common. We'll see how it is important. After buying a deal, you can see the deal in ongoing deal. So how the deal looks like? The deal looks like this. First start with the deal code. Okay, this is the amount invested which is fixed. Net interest rate 10.8 which is fixed. Start date start purchase Saturday 8 October 2002 purchased on is also fixed. You have purchased on 8 October. Okay. Now we will see there is a tentative due date and tentative maturity value. What is this? Okay. So to understand this, we have to click on confirmation of purchase. Once you click on confirmation of purchase, you will see the PDF opening like this, and here you can find effective date. Effective date is nothing but 8 October 2022 when you have purchased the deal. Now what is the actual settlement date? You can find inside confirmation of purchase only. Here it is 5/2/2023, like 5th February 2023. So this is the settlement date. When you calculate this difference, it comes around like 120 days. 120 days plus extra grace period is known as 15 days. So 120 plus 15 is 135 days. So this is a tentative due date. Then what is the actual day? Actual day is 120 days only. Once the deal is settled, you got the amount in your wallet. Suppose there is a delay. This is a grace period 15 days. So suppose there is a delay by 5 days. So instead of maturity on 120th day, it mature on 125 days. Between 120 and 135, suppose assume that it is in 125 days. For that extra 5 days also you will get a interest. So actual date you can get once your deal is matured. So always we have to look into completed deal. We'll take a live example and we'll see how I have invested and what value I have got. Okay. So I have purchased a deal 3 months back. Okay. Here I have invested a minimum 10,000. I have invested with at the rate of 11.05%. Okay. And the deal duration that time I have seen by clicking on summary. I can see there deal durations and tentative due date and tentative maturity value. Okay. Once I have purchased, okay, I waited for the maturity. Okay. Waited for the maturity. Once the deal is matured, you can see in portfolio, inside portfolio, completed deal. In that I can see the complete detail of the deals. Okay. So amount invested as usual, like 10,000 what I have invested is correct at the rate of 11.05. Okay. I have purchased on 10. Okay. The deal duration is exactly 90 days and the settlement value shown here is 10,262. How I can know whether it is correct value or not? Okay. When deal was ongoing, I clicked on ongoing deal and I saw I had recorded the value that tentative value was 10,272. Okay. Now you know the difference between tentative and actual value. Actual value is 10,262 only. It will come. We'll see the calculation in next slide. Fill the previous data like investment value 10,000, tenure was 90 days and IRR is 11.05, and I have used this formula. You can see the formula, you can note down in Excel also. By using this formula, if you calculate, you will get 10,262 only. Okay. So this is the value formula to calculate your total value, and it is exactly matching with the amount which I have received. So this is the calculation which you can follow for all the deals, and based on actual duration only you will get the actual value. And most of the time it is always it is on time, like settlement. Sometimes there may be a delay 2 to 3 days, or that the 3 days amount also it will be added up. Okay. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe and share. Please find the below referral link for opening Tradecred account.